Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy from Temu app. So Temu is actually a online market place where you buy electronics, you buy clothes, shoes, jewelries, and lots more. Yes. So a lot of people don't actually know how to buy from Temu. So once you install the Temu app, or maybe you're using the website, you can just simply create an account, and once you create an account you always have a coupon code. Yes, you can use, and free gifts. Yes. So how do you actually buy from Temu? You can see all the things they actually sell right here, or you can also make use of the search bar. You can simply search for things you want to buy, like clothes and different accessories, maybe ladies eyeglass, eyewears, headphones, different kind of things are being sold on Temu. Yes, you can get good wristwatches and good nails, good clothes, kitchen utensils, handbags, cream, deodorants, pouches, and lots more. And also mic, you can get mic from them as well. I've gotten two things from Temu, right? So I'm going to show you how I actually bought things from Temu. I got about three items from Temu so far. So first thing you have to do is, once you select an item on Temu, maybe for example this demi jeans, you can see. First thing you have to look at is the sizes, if they actually have a good sizes for you, like a size that is going to be suitable for you. Afterwards, you can go down to search for reviews people have given about the particular products you want to purchase. You can see, click on it like this. You can see most recent photos and videos. You can just go through all of them to see if it's actually what the order for they got. You can see good reviews and also see bad reviews on the products you're about to purchase. You can see this person said too short, very nice, perfect size, but just a little bit short for me. So you can see reviews that they give. If the bad reviews they actually gave is more than the good reviews, just know it's a bad purchase for you, because once you make the same mistake and buy from them, buy that particular product, you will fall a victim as well of bad purchase. Yes. So what you simply need to do is just go through the review and see if there are lots more good reviews than the bad reviews. Yes. So you can see there's a lot of good reviews of this particular demi jeans. So the bad reviews are small. So afterwards, you have checking the you have checked sorry, you have checked the product you want to actually purchase, and you love the review and they have the size for you. So about the size guide, you can click on the size guide to look how to actually measure yourself, so you won't order for a small size and you'll be given a medium size, or vice versa. So you can see the body chart and also the product chart. You can just go through it and know the size you want to get. So you click on small. If you're actually small, they're going to show you how it's going to be on your body. Afterwards, you have to scroll down and click on the quantity you want to get. If it's two, you click on two, but unfortunately this damaging is only one that is available. So once you pick on that, you click on select an option, and you have to select the size right here. So you select the size and you can see the amount right below. So you can click on add and it will be added to your cart. So once it's added to your cart, you go to your cart. If you're finished buying on Temu, you have selected everything you want to get. You can see it right here. You click on that, the total, and once you click on the total, you can now start to actually make payments. So you can actually use a Google Pay if you already have your debit or credit card linked to your OPay, to your Google Pay. You can just click on Google Pay and you're going to see the total and discounted price they gave to you. and it's the shipping fee is also free, as you can see right here. It is written. So you're going to get the total amount of what you got altogether, and maybe they gave you some discount, it will be minused. Yes. So afterwards you can click on submit order. Once you click on submit order, they're going to actually deduct the money, and afterwards your your items will be shipped to your country or the city you are at. So how many days does the order take? The order take for about 2 weeks to actually get to your location. So I actually ordered, let me show you when I ordered for the mic I got yesterday. You can see my order. This is the last thing I ordered from Temu. So I'm just going to show you when I got it. Okay. Think the history is supposed to be here. Okay. You can see I actually ordered this on Tuesday, July 21st, and I got it yesterday, which was August 5th. Yes, so I actually got it yesterday, which was August 4th, sorry, not 6th. Right, so it took about, let's go check the calendar. So May 21st, 1 week, 2 weeks, and some days. So it actually takes 2 weeks and some days to actually get to your location. Yeah, so this just literally how to buy and how to search for good items on Temu, and the days is going to take before you can get the items. So if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.